Hello, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1388 Greenwich Street. This is Unit 105. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the Russian Hill neighborhood of San Francisco. Very desirable, very lovely area. And here we are, and lots of food and drink nearby on Polk, and also in the marina and Cow Hollow nearby. There is a park with tennis courts and basketball facilities just a half block away. And here we are on Greenwich Street. It's actually on a bit of a hill right here. This is the exterior of the condominium building. Very beautiful, very well kept, very clean. Just looking around, nice beautiful sunny day. This condo does include parking, a one-car parking space, and it does have visitor spaces as well. Okay, this is the front entrance. By the way, the 10 visitor spaces are very convenient for your guests because there is a metered, a timed street parking. Okay, let's go ahead and step on into the front lobby. Absolutely gorgeous. And your mail and packages are going to go here. And there is a call box on the building. I believe it's tied to your cell phone, where people could buzz the door. There is an elevator in the building. One floor below is the parking area. And then this is the beautiful front atrium. Atrium right in the middle. And there is a shared common roof deck. Okay, let's go ahead and step on into the unit. 105. Gorgeous hardwood floors. Full functional kitchen. Working fireplace. One bay window with 3 double hung windows and plantation shutters. Here is the bedroom. Plantation shutters in here as well. And 10.7 by 10.8, and that's just for the square portion, not the extension by the windows, which would be perfect for a desk or dresser, things like that. Okay, nice size closet. One full bath. And a washer dryer in unit. Front loading, lots of functions and features. This has a really cool textured countertop. It's a solid surface textured countertop. A little different than the traditional smooth quartz or granite. Stainless steel dishwasher inside, built-in microwave, single undermount sink, French door fridge, bottom mount freezer. Stainless steel, very nice. Does look like it has an ice tray there. Open kitchen to the living room, which is nice, so you can speak to your guests, watch TV, share the action. Lovely atrium. Those windows at the top are actually up on the roof deck, so let's go ahead and take the elevator to the top floor, which is the 4th floor. All right. Taking a look around, you've got some lounge chairs, a picnic table, some gorgeous views of the Golden Gate Bridge in the distance. Okay, this does include a 1-car parking. And there's the automatic gate right there. Very clean, nice garage, big parking spaces. I believe it's 2, but I need to double check that. But this is what the garage looks like. Okay, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck in your home search.